Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and in today's video I'll show you how to check if someone has read your email using Mailtrack, which is a free and easy email tracking tool for Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. First, all we have to do is open up the search bar and type Mail Tracker. It's part of the Mail suite. Click on the first link and then click on install now and get the extension. After installing the extension, it will ask you to connect it with your Google account. Select your the account that you'd like to use this extension with, and that's it. Installation complete. Go to Gmail. Let's try composing a new email. So I'm going to send a new email to this address. Let's say hello there, test email, and let's send it. So if the email that we have just sent gets opened by the recipient, then the this check mark will change to green. So let's wait for a few seconds until the email gets opened. And that's it. As you can see here, the check mark changed to green, which means that the recipient has successfully opened and checked your email in less than 1 hour. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.